Hello, my friends. This is just a quick note. This Sunday, June 8th at 9 a.m. Philippines date and time, I'll be throwing a bingo game, and it's not a big prizes. It's only petot petot, and it's also only for fun. And for those of you new ninjas that we don't recognize, we don't know, I'm so sorry to say this. Just to be fair, you are not allowed to play because we don't know you. We don't recognize your names, your ninjas. We do have some ninja friends, and yes, they are allowed to play because we recognize them and we know them. And again, please don't make this a big issue. It's my game, and it's not about to have people get mad at me or argue with me. Okay? Just to be fair. So please leave your name in the comments section, and I'll be giving one card only per player. And again, thank you so much for being understanding. I'll see you guys Sunday. Or actually before Sunday, because I need to give you guys card when I go on live. Okay? Thanks. Bye. Ito yung pang bingo ko, you guys. So, see? Yan. Naka-ready na siya. Tapos, ayan yung mga bingo cards. So, I don't know. I lost count how many yung total. No? Tapos, si Hubby, he's gonna help me. And he's gonna draw the numbers from here. Dito, sa loob. Papakita niya lang yung hindi niya makikita, he's not gonna see the numbers he's pulling out because only his hand will be in there and he'll pull one out. So, yan ang pambingo ko. And of course, we're gonna call it in sa computer so you guys can see. We're gonna call it in here and then we're gonna drop it here and then you guys can see the numbers sa laptop. Yung recall. Yan lang, diba? But this one, you guys, look. Ito. Oh, yan. Sa lang to, sa calling nga ito na bingo, but we're not gonna use this kasi syempre hindi ko naman to sa inyo mabibigay. But this is cute. This is part of the bingo game. So if someone bingo, they just raise this up and says bingo calling card. Guys, hopefully I'll be able to play again next time kasi tamad talaga ako. I'm really lazy, I enjoy watching people singing. Kaya only upload from time to time yung kanta-kanta kasi nga tamad akong umupo ng matagal doing my live show. Unless of course galit na galit ako at babanat, no? That's the only time kasi hyper ako no. Anyway guys, good luck!